What's up, guys? Merry Christmas. Look at that, the Italian way. Oh, pizzelles. Get that machine nice and hot. Here we go. Merry Christmas, everyone. Happy holidays. Hope you're having a great day. Hey guys, Merry Christmas, and hopefully you're having a wonderful day. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, then happy holidays or just a happy day. It's been a really weird Christmas Eve day for me. I have been cleaning out a lot of different things, as you saw maybe if you watched the dump cake video. I said I'm gonna start dumping stuff, right? Gotta clean out. So anyways, I'm Cindy with Cindy Lou Creates. In case you're new here, welcome. And I am in the process of cleaning out and having a lifestyle change in the beginning of 2024. Well, maybe 4 or 5 months in to 2024. And yeah, so we're going to be cleaning out the apartment and just dumping so many different things so we can go smaller, way smaller, and with wheels. Stay tuned for that adventure and we'll see how it's going to work out. So I just wanted to come on real quick and just wish y'all a super day, and this time of year, just a prosperous new year. I am fully looking forward to breaking chains and having new health process for me, hopefully coming up in the future. I have been cleaning out so many things and the dust has just been so hard on my lungs and on my breathing, but it's gonna be okay. I just take some more medicine for it and work through it and do some oils. I love doing some natural things too. So I had gotten into a bin today with old photos, and whew, when you have children and you have past memories and they're grown up, family's grown up, my parents, that's my goal, is to see my parents in 2024, about May. Hopefully I'm going to make it out to where they live. And it's quite a trek, and it will be in altitude, which I've had problems in the past with. So if you haven't, if you don't know a whole bunch about the story, you can go back in the vlog here and listen to that one, watch that one, and I'd greatly appreciate it if you follow and see what's up. So yeah, we're working through right now the breathing, because those pictures, you know, when they get stuck, they get a little moldy, I guess, or have some, I don't know, product dust, whatever, even if they're in bins. And it's been a little tough. I don't have family, a lot of family around here. My children are kind of close, but, you know, a little in a distance and have their lives too. So it's been an up and down, up and down emotionally. But I am super grateful and thankful for all that I do have, and just the ability to do what I'm doing, you know. So continue to just move forward with everything. And it's an interesting process when you clean out and you see memories, past relationships, and just pictures that I don't recall anyway. And it's like, oh wow. And then it brings back memories and has some triggers things going on. But it's all good. It's all good. It's just tough. It is definitely tough. Don't know where y'all are at in your life right now, but if you can relate, stay tuned, and, you know, maybe we'll work through some of this together. I keep trying to remember and make myself aware that I don't have to continue to hold on to my past. I can move forward, and I just see so many memories and laughter that happened, and I think that's the part that hurts, is there was so much fun, it felt like, and my life the last few years just hasn't had that kind of fun, I guess. A lot of struggle and heartbreak and some trust stuff that had happened. So it's burdening, you know, to the heart and to the mind and soul. So That's what this cleaning out and processing is all about, so we can, continue to just move forward. And the plan is to get a vehicle with wheels that would be large enough to house some of the belongings and live in the vehicle. That is the goal, so that way we can travel and figure out where in the world, where in the United States I'll start with, that is better for my health issues that I have going on, and just to see if it's better somewhere else than where I'm currently at in Florida and what I've been dealing with. So that's the goal. And yeah, so y'all have a wonderful, wonderful day and upcoming week into the new year. Stay safe out there, and hope to see you soon. Subscribe and do a thumbs up. It would be greatly appreciated, and it does help the channel so much. So we'll see you soon on the next one. You all take care.